There are many different styles of meat thermometer, and it doesn't matter which kind you use, just that you use it. Cooking meats to the proper temperature is an important step to make sure your recipes turn out perfectly every time. When using a meat thermometer, it's always important that you first wash your hands. You want to stick the probe into the thickest part of the meat, which is usually the center. Ground meats must be cooked to well done, with an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For a medium well roast beef, you are looking for a reading of 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For poultry, like this boneless, skinless chicken breast, the thermometer should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Always consult your recipe for the proper temperature.